Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can hide or show content on Snapchat. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on the Friends icon. After that, select the magnifying button. Now, scroll until you can find the Watch or Show section. Now, tap on the account from which you want to hide the content. After that, tap on the three-dot icon. Now, select the Hide This Content button. Finally, confirm your action by tapping on the Yes button. And that's it. All of the episodes from this channel will be hidden from your Snapchat now. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.